have a nice day. Today practice cow face pose. This poses benefits, techniques and precaution. So you see, let's go start. First technique. Left knee bend, look fan side. Right knee bend, look fan side. Left knee down, right knee up. Both heels side your buttock. Spine straight, look fan side. And right knee up and right hand up. Elbow bend. Left hand backside your spine and slowly raise. Interlock finger, look fan side. Hold, both eye close. And then side change, opposite side. Right knee down, left knee up. Both inside your buttock, spine straight. Left knee up and left hand up, elbow bend. Right hand backside your spine and slowly raise. Interlock finger, look fan side. Hold. And slowly coming center, relax. You see this posture's technique. And next, second, benefits. This posture's benefits your spine straight and flexible. And second benefits your hand muscles and your shoulder elbow muscles very flexible. And precaution, these postures not apply any bone deformities and bone fractures. You like my videos, like my channel. Thank you very much.